Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Gentleman's Pilot YouTube channel. First of all, I really want to say thanks to everyone for watching the previous video, and I hope you will enjoy this new one. Today, I'm flying another leg of Italy VFR Grand Tour, so fasten your seatbelt and fly with me for another journey. As you can see from the description, I decided to fly to Trento Airport. The city is located in the northeast part of Italy, and it's not a long journey, it took just an hour to get there. We took off from Venegano Airport, that is very close to Milan Malpensa. Venegano is currently my home base, and I really like it, not just because it's not far from where I live, but also because it's where I took my PPL license. As you can see from the map, we overflown one of my favorite places nearby the airport, Como Lake. The view from the air is amazing, and also the one from the ground. I really recommend this place to all my fellow aviators. In addition to that, in Como Lake you can find the oldest seaplane flight organization in the world. I really suggest you to go there and book a flight with seaplanes. It's an experience that you'll never forget. We start climb from flight level 050 to flight level 080, and the weather was incredible, was so relaxing, and giving me time to take some picture of this amazing view right on my left. But as you know, never being so relaxed. The ARMET reports a moderate turbulence in this area, above flight level 100. Mountains are unpredictable, so keep concentrate, disengage autopilot and start flying manually. The turbulence started to increase, so I decided to divert from our original route and find some alternative to find less wind. Fortunately for us, there was not so much traffic, so we can easily follow another heading. Even if we divert, we continue our bumpy ride for about 10 minutes, but we were so close to our descent point. We started our approach descending from flight level 100 for runway 36. Even if Trento does not require any mountain rating qualification, you need to fly very careful due to the proximity of the mountains on the right and the wind component that can easily change. Once on the ground, backtrack for parking. There's no much shelter needs for this airport, so it's very easy to get out from the station, pay the fees and have a good coffee. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also follow me on Instagram. You can find all the link in the description. I really want to say thanks to my flight instructor Matteo for always believing in me and pushing me in every flight to do better.